Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. We will cover the steps from bamboo to bamboo boards, which will then be processed according to different needs and become various products. At our bamboo workshop, we combine traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology to create high-quality bamboo products. Our state-of-the-art machines precisely cut and shape the raw bamboo boards, ensuring consistency and accuracy in every product. Our automated process allows for faster production without sacrificing quality. The bamboo boards are processed into different shapes and sizes according to the product design. The bamboo boards are then carefully assembled by our skilled workers, ensuring that each piece fits perfectly together. The finished product is then put through a rigorous process of sanding and polishing, ensuring a smooth and even surface. Experience the beauty and quality of our bamboo products for yourself. Shop now and add a touch of elegance to your home or office. At our bamboo workshop, we pride ourselves on delivering exquisite craftsmanship and superior quality in every product we create. Stay tuned to us, as we will bring you more mind-blowing educational videos that you've never seen before.